people. I've just decided to turn the camera on today and just share some thoughts with you guys. Like I like these kind of one-to-one chats now and then, and I just wanted to say, like, I feel like this movement, this brand, this whole ideology of skipping and what it means to a lot of people and what it can do to the whole world, like, it is massive. Like, and every single day I'm feeling it, guys. I'm feeling just how powerful this is, and with your backing, with all the people that comment on all my videos and support, I just want to say a thank you, a big fat thank you, guys. Like, I cannot express to you just how amazing it feels to have this community behind me and to back me. And I just wanted to say, listen, I apologize that if I haven't been able to be as active on YouTube, on the comments, especially those who follow me on Instagram. Like, it's just been super tough. Like, so many things are happening in the background. We've got this place which is becoming a little bit too small for us.
Oh my days. Are you in gear? Wish is breaking the van.
I need to get more shelving in. I need to bring in so many new things. I've got the mats, the icon ropes, the masks all coming. I need to get all packaged up here, all the pre-orders, and this place is just a mess in terms of just where, you know, we're putting everything. It needs to be a lot more sophisticated how we handle this HQ now. This is no longer like a side hustle now, guys. This is my life. This is my business, my baby, and I need to treat it really like carefully, because, you know, like, as we go on, as we move on to these next kind of stages and next steps, guys, I want to bring as many of you guys along with me as I can, because I already know in the future, you know, this movement, like all this whole community, this is gonna be talked about for years and years and years. I already feel it, guys, and I just want to document, and I want to be as raw with you and transparent with you as possible, everything that goes on behind the scenes. So yeah, I just wanted to touch on the fact that, yeah, it's becoming super overwhelming as well at the same time. It's tough trying to grow and expand a new business in a very niche market, and in fact in a market which has never really been created, which is kind of the jump rope fitness space. And I'm proud to be one of the leaders there, guys, and I'm proud to have you guys to help me do that. At the same time, I'm still learning, I'm making mistakes, and I'm trying to learn from them. And this experience has just shown me that there are so many other people out there, especially when I met people like Naz, Samra last week, everyone at the meetup. There's a lot of people out there who have similar kind of ideas and these kind of goals and dreams that, you know, I still do, but which I initially had like 4 years ago when we started RA. And all I can say to you guys right now on camera, and the reason why I've turned this on, is just, I want you guys to push. I want you to focus more on what you want in life, what you are made to do on this earth. Please do not, like I stress, just do not walk through life just simply doing the average guy, simply existing. You are so much more better than that. You have so much more to give. And if you are like me, someone who wakes up in the morning and is not happy with what they're doing daily and feels like they can give more, then 100% you need to start fixing up, guys, and start putting in the work, start putting in the hard work. People will listen to your ideas. You know, you will get the support, just trust it. Too many of us, and myself particularly when I was younger, guys, you just feel like it's gonna click, like something's gonna happen for you. Like, so, you know, you're just kind of going through life and you're just like, no, next day, next week, I'm gonna get onto it, or this might happen, this might happen. Like, it doesn't happen, guys. You have to make it happen. You have to put in the work. You have to do those hours. You have to trust yourself. You have to believe in your vision. And that's the fire alarm, by the way. Like, I will change those batteries, by the way. I just wanted to get this point on camera today. Everyone that we're trying to meet, everyone we're trying to collab with, we're trying to not only, as always, build and grow the movement, we're trying to help others as well. I'm trying to help people do and follow their dreams and their passions. And I hope that this platform that we've created, the Rush Athletics brand, I hope that anyone else that we collab with, we can help. Just stop blaming other people, stop blaming the barriers, stop blaming the fact you have no time, that work is getting on top of you. Like, in 30-40 years time, guys, you're just going to be poisoned with regret. And I keep on mentioning it on this channel, you're just going to regret everything that you're not doing right now. And all I want to say is that I'm humbled and I'm blessed and I'm so thankful for what you guys are helping me achieve. And I'm only just getting started, guys. I'm just scratching the surface. I'm so motivated right now. I'm so inspired because of you to just go out and make history. That is the legacy, guys. That is the mark I want to put on this world, which is just to do good, just to make people better, just to impact lives for the positive and better as well. So if you made it to the end of this talk, guys, again, thank you very much. Sometimes when I do like to talk, I kind of just keep rambling and talking, just my mind just starts flooding with like kind of words, and I don't know how to really express them that well sometimes. So just thank you for being patient and listening, and I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of vlog. Like I said, we just keep it natural and raw, but there's a lot more fire content to come your way, so keep it real, guys. I'll see you in the next one.